Mystery Reviews. Tanu and I are here with another review which is unbiased, credible and not sponsored. Hi Tanu.
Hi Divya, absolutely. The intent here is to create reviews completely based on honest experiences. We want to tell you what the taste is like, how deep are the flavors. We want to tell you exactly what's written on the nutrition label. We want to tell you how much these products cost. Simply so that next time you are out there looking for a product in this category, you can make a better buying decision. And so we are back, like Divya said, with a new product. Today it's Sleepy Owl's Classic Cold Coffee, which is in this very, very cute bottle. And anyone who likes collecting bottles will love this.
Absolutely. So Sleepy Owl is a Delhi-based company which is focusing on gourmet coffees for the Indian market. And so let's take a look at what this lovely bottle has to say. So the cold coffee is made with coffee, milk and sugar. No more additives or nothing else over there. It's also made with a very popular cold brew. It's made with a lot of love and it's made in India. It says that, and it's for 100 rupees and with a shelf life of 180 days, which is pretty good. The bottle, as you see, the contents has 80 calories in it. So I kind of appreciate that, because mostly what you see is for 100 grams and it's a little vague, because then you have to calculate exactly how many calories. So yeah, so this, what you see here is 80 calories and that's it. So that's something that I really like.
Absolutely. And the other thing is that it's got cold brewed coffee which has been brewed for over 20 hours. In fact, before we taste this, what are the things that you look for in a good, delicious cold coffee? You'll obviously look for how good are the coffee flavors, how much of coffee can you really feel. That of course comes from a balance of milk, sweetness and everything. The other thing we'll be looking at is the consistency. Is it really thick and creamy? Is it heavy? Is it watery? Those are the things we'll be looking at. And finally, sweetness. Sweetness though can be subjective. Some people like their cold coffee really loaded with sugar. Some others may actually want to go sugar free. So we can look at those factors and then tell you how many mysteries this gets. Let's now give it a taste.
Ready to
It's a little
open.
tricky to open.
Oh, perfect.
There it is. Okay. Good, nice size to hold.
I like it.
I think I need to shake mine a little.
Yeah, I think it's important to shake this one up, because at the bottom,
Because it tends to,
the
obviously,
coffee
tends to just,
the flavors tend to settle down at the bottom.
I'll tell you about the coffee to begin with. Very, very nice, intense coffee taste. It's not milky. It's if you're someone who likes your coffee strong, you will like this. So on that count, I really like the first few sips. So Divya, what do you think of the consistency?
Tanu, I think the consistency is pretty light, as I'm just taking close to the camera, and as you can see, it's pretty light. The color is pretty deep brown. But I think what I like is that it does not make you feel sluggish. Like finishing off this bottle of cold coffee will not make you feel too heavy in your tummy, like sometimes a cold coffee can. The balance between milk and water is perfect. It's bang on. So yes, I think I feel the consistency is perfect.
Right. In fact, it reminds me a lot of homemade cold coffees, where you always do a mix of milk, half water, if you don't want to make it too heavy, especially when it's not being made for kids, and you want to keep it a little light. So the consistency and the colors remind me a lot of homemade coffees, cold coffees. Talking about the sweetness, I think it's very balanced. Of course, it's not meant for someone who likes their cold coffees very sweet. So in that sense, I would go ahead and say that this is meant for someone who is watching calories, or who wants a quick low calorie drink on the go after a workout, perhaps even. Those are the kind of people I think who would really enjoy the classic version of the cold coffee, right?
Right. And I think I just want to add that in case you feel that the sweetness is, you try this and you feel the sweetness is not there, it's not, or it's too low, there is another variant which is the sweetened one. So you may want to try that.
Right.
Definitely. Also would like to add that it's perfect for like a 4 p.m. pick me up sort of that when your energy levels are totally low. So and this chilled out of the refrigerator is such a good thing to have on a hot summer day like this.
Right.
So yes.
So overall, very tasty. It's delicious. It's not something that will sit in your stomach and make you feel slow and sluggish in the second half of the day. Priced at 100 rupees, so this 200 ml bottle costs 100 rupees at the moment. You can pick it up every now and then as an on-the-go snack. For me, as far as mishris are concerned, I'd give it 4 out of 5 mishris. I think that pretty much captures what the taste is like, what the consistency is like, overall how cost effective this bottle is. Divya, any thoughts?
I think I agree. Overall, it's a fabulous product. I'm glad that products like these are picking up in the Indian market. For a lot of people where you don't have the time, or sometimes you're just on the go. So these products come in really handy. 4 out of 5. Yes, from me. And why don't you guys go ahead and try?
Yeah.
And let us know what you thought about it. And we'll be happy to come up with more reviews. Let us know if there's anything you would like us to review. And do not forget to leave any comments, and we'll be back with more reviews.
Absolutely.
And thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for all the
Take
feedback.
care. Bye.
And we've been seeing all the feedback that you're giving. We're going to be picking up products from those suggestions very soon. But till then, bye-bye from Divya and me. Bye.